Well, hello there. My name is Yolanda and welcome to my channel. Today we are learning how to make a slip knot. You'll just need a ball of yarn to start, and we're going to start by making a loop on the table. Next, we're going to pick up the yarn and fold the tail under the loop. Just like that. Now we're going to grip the entire piece and we're going to pull the tail through the loop. Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. It's just going to take a little practice and we'll go over it many times. All right, so pull the tail through the loop and you're going to pull the string. So once you can grab that tail, pull it through the loop and grab the string with your other hand. And now you have your slip knot. Don't worry if you didn't get it this time, we'll go over it again. Okay, so you're gonna try it again. I'm gonna take this loose and let's give it another try until you get it. The slip knot is the basic starting of any crochet project. So you'll have to make the slip knot first and then you'll make a starting chain, which I'll show you how to do in another video. Okay, all right, let's try this again. We're going to place the yarn on the table and fold it over to make a loop. Now we're going to pick up the loop and put the tail up under the loop just like this. And now we're going to pull the tail through the loop. You can go very slow. And once you get it through the loop, then you can pull the string to adjust it. And now you have your slip knot. And once you get it, once you put your needle through or your crochet hook through the loop, then you can pull it even tighter to start your project. Okay, so I'm going to show you another way. Let's do it again. This time I'm going to wrap the yarn around my finger to make that same loop. And now I'm going to take it off and push the tail up under the loop. And now we're going to pull the tail through the loop. So you can choose which method you like the best, but you'll achieve the same results in the end. All right, let's try it again. Wrap the yarn around your finger. Slide it off your finger, put the tail up under the loop, and you're going to pull the tail through the loop. And there you have your slip knot. And you can adjust it as needed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The next video is in the description box.